Okay, welcome back. This is Kevin from Construction Scale Model Imports in Australia, doing a video today where I'm going to show you how to connect the Demolition shear to a Liebherr 960 ready to run excavator. Of course, all the previous video we have done the hydraulic demolition grab and the hydraulic hammer. This tooling can be also fitted on other machines. You just need two auxiliary service lines on the boom and a bit of modification to adapt the quick connect fitted to this machine to your respective machine. So let's get this started. Okay, this is a pretty big shear, as you can see. It's a pretty beautiful piece of kit. Just for the benefit of our viewers, I'm going to give you some dimensions. So that is roughly about 10 inches. It's pretty big and it's pretty solid. Well constructed. There's a lot of teeth up here, as you can see. Give you a comparison with my palm. So it's pretty massive. It's heavy. Very well designed and engineered. It's got two functions. One for rotation of the shear, just like in real life, and also the opening and closing of the jaws. 4 cylinders, a lot of force. You wouldn't want to put your fingers in, end up in the hospital, or you'll need a new set of fingers which you can't get. As usual, before I go there, it's always good to have a little bit of pressure on the pump so that the boom does not creep in under its own weight. The stick must always be vertical. The best and the safest way to load your tool. I will actually push this quick connect out a little bit, just make it easier to actually load the tooling. Okay, there you go. So now under its own weight, it's nice and safe. Now let's connect the quick connect in so that it's nice and safely locked in. Okay, so she's now secured in, and as always, we're now going to connect the two lines on one side of the boom. Move the machine slowly. And safely connect the other two lines on the other side of the boom. So it's very important always connect each function's lines on either side of the stick. You shouldn't be crisscrossing them. They won't work. So bring the machine back to its work position. Okay, and I'm going to show you, take the staple off so you can actually see. 2 slides on either side, so that actually rotates the entire shear 270 degrees. I think it's more than 270 degrees, so that's 180. Yeah, it's 270. So I'll bring it back. So you can actually control the speed of rotation, depends upon how agile we really are. Okay. And then the next slide is for the opening and the closing of the shear. Okay, just trying to fit both of these in. Okay, what I will do is I'll actually bring this thing a little bit closer so that you can actually see the speed of the shear, how fast it opens and closes. So excuse the shakes. There you go. So I'm going to get the shear vertical first, and then I'm going to rotate it Okay, and now it's a bit hard to squeeze the radio in the screen because you won't be able to see the detail of the shear. It'll be just too small, so I'm trying to focus on the shear itself. Just bear with me, excuse the shakes. Bring the camera a little bit more closer. Okay, so just to give you the length of the jaw itself. So from the center point to the end of the jaw is about 3 inches or 80 mil, roughly. Now, I'll show you the speed, how fast it actually opens up. So this is open. You'll hear the pump whine, so you know when the starting point really is, so you can see the speed. Okay, and now we go close. Okay, that's it. I'll bring this boom a little bit more closer for us to see. Just bear with me for the shakes. So what I'm trying to show you here is the teeth can actually be replaced. They are actually screwed in, so you can actually change those because they're a consumable part. They might wear out, so you can actually change that. So the design's pretty good. They've taken that into consideration while they've designed this particular demolition shear. What else can I tell you? Sorry about that. I'll just refocus the camera once again. Show you all the 3 bits of tooling that is available. Bear with me. Okay, there we go. That's the radio. Going to wind the pump down so we can hear each other clearly. And once again, this is Kevin from Construction Scale Model Imports in Australia, doing a video on the demolition shear attached to the Liebherr 960 machine. As usual, if you have any emails, any questions, please feel free to email us at info@csmi.com.au. Thank you for watching.